Oh, we're gonna flip this fucking thing.
So it's a perfect day for mud bogging. It's rainy Sunday morning and we're going. Got our mud bogger. Let's go. Hello, how are you?
Hello, good. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
I get stuck right here in the parking lot.
We're doing it for Dale.
Doing it for Dale. Dale died going fast for us, so we're gonna go fast for Dale. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun. Take one look at it. It's so clean. Almost too nice to get dirty, but I'm gonna have to. No way out now.
We can just ride down with you, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're mobilizing here.
Oh,
we're getting
man.
ready to go. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee and a Chevy S10 Blazer. It's gonna be a good day in the mud, I think.
It will be.
Woo!
Tennessee time, baby.
Got a full
We're
vehicle
getting a
here.
free ride down to the pits.
A lot of dead weight.
This is gonna be awesome.
Going to the bogs. We're going.
Tap him right in the backside.
Oh, we're done. We're already stuck. This is bad. You're already in this. That was fun. It's over, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, this is not actually the course, right?
No, this is just the parking lot.
Yeah.
Chevy Cavalier over there. So
I mean, you might have better tires than us, but.
all right, we're going. Are you though? What happened? Oh no!
Things were a little rough back there. We got a metal cooler.
Oh,
my
no!
gosh.
There was a bungee cord right here. We could have prevented it all.
And look at, there's a hole in this one. It was there was so much force.
Inside of it too.
There was so much force that it punctured a hole in that can.
What a bunch of idiots. This one's all dented up, but it's still holding.
That dodge might have the bits.
Yeah, I mean, I think I can do it. I think I can take the ramp to get a feel for it.
Hell yeah.
There goes there. We're going up the ramp. Oh, we're gonna flip this fucking thing. You know, it's a good attempt. Yeah! I think we lost our bumper. We lost our bumper.
That was holding us up. That was catching on the back, and it kept us from going over.
You just have to put it to the wood, man. Just have to you have to go full committed.
We're
Make
trying
sure
to
you
go
got a good line.
Yeah, we're trying to go at an angle, kind of.
Well, that's kind of the
It'll
only
make it.
angle
It'll be almost like switchbacking. If you go at an angle, you have a little bit more run at it. And if you do start going sideways or something, just don't put your arms outside. Keep
Yeah,
them in
duck
the-
and cover.
Yeah,
Duck and cover. I have rolled over a Pathfinder before, and I got 14 stitches in my chin.
Nice.
A fire extinguisher hit me.
It's always good to carry a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I know. I was
but-
thinking about safety when we started. That was a rollover.
Alright, shut off.
Stuff works great. Thanks, Monster. There's a reason it's the same color as antifreeze. One more time. Oh! You don't want to back up here, guy. You don't want to back up here, guy. It's an absolute beast.
Good, refreshing.
Well worth it.
That was fun. We didn't make the big one, but we hit everything else we could out there. I think we did Dale proud. Certainly did our own dignity proud. Yep. Until next time.
God damn it.